Hey everyone, my name is Shaked Babtal, Sports Guy Show. It's January 25th, 2026. It's almost 5 p.m. here in Charlotte, North Carolina, and we are dealing with a massive winter storm, folks. All that you see on the ground, the white stuff, it's not snow. It's actually sleet. Very heavy sleet that we are dealing with right now. Hopefully you guys can see it. And this is my car, and anticipating and knowing that it's going to be a lot of ice and freezing rain and sleet, I decided to put tarp on it. It's much easier to remove the tarp than taking all the ice off the car. So the way you know, by the way, that this is sleet and not snow, you look at the ground, you see, look at my grass. Barely has any cover of sleet. Look at the front of the house. Sleet. That is the way you know it's sleet and not snow, because if this was snow, the yard would have been covered completely. Let me see if I can zoom in. Not zoom in, but more importantly, show you guys the sleet and it's falling down, because it's right now very heavy sleet. And the temperature, in case anyone wondering what is the temperature outside Shaked, well, it's about 22 degrees right now, which for Charlotte, North Carolina, for January standard, folks, that is miserably cold. Very cold outside here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Definitely not a warm day. Definitely a winter day. Snow day. We are under ice storm warning, which I don't remember prior to today Charlotte ever been placed under ice storm warning. But anyway, I should mention something. We are extremely lucky, because originally we were supposed to get nearly 3/4 of an inch of freezing rain, maybe even close to 1 inch of freezing rain, which would have been devastating. Would have knocked down so many trees, power line, everything would have went down. But because this is sleet, and right now it's very heavy sleet and not freezing rain, we might avoid catastrophic power outage. Like the last I saw, folks, from Duke Energy, they were showing that about 300 people in Charlotte are without power, last I saw. Keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, Charlotte, North Carolina is close to 2 million population. So 300 people, yeah, it's bad. I feel terrible for them, but it could have been so much worse. And from what I've seen, the road has been pretty empty, which is what you expect, what you want from people, because this is not the time to get on the road. And yeah, I'm sure people in the Northeast will say, oh, Shaked, it's just ice, not a big deal, just sleet. Well, sleet make it difficult to drive in. And this is, by the way, so heavy. Let me stop talking so you guys can hear how heavy it is. So you can see on my end, like it's coming on and then falling off. I mean, this is one crazy winter storm. Like here in Charlotte, we're dealing with ice. In Georgia, in southern Georgia and Alabama, they are dealing with tornadoes. In the Northeast, they are dealing with snow. Like I saw, for example, Boston might get 3 foot of snow. That's one crazy storm, folks. And the thing about this storm, folks, it's going to be staying very cold afterward. Typically in the south, in Charlotte, we have a winter storm. The following day, temperature are in the 50s. Not tomorrow. It's probably not going to get above freezing, honestly, until Wednesday. So stay safe, everyone. Stay warm. And God bless you all. And make sure to subscribe, smash the like button, turn the bell notification on.